Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online class which is organized by Talimul Millat Rahmatiya Fazil Madrasa Sonaranga Khulna. Dear student, how are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Today I will discuss an important topics. The name of the topic is tag question. Before going to our main discussion, we should know something about tag question. Actually, tag question is such kind of question attached with an statement. There are some important rules. I will discuss it one by one. At the very beginning of my discussion, I give an important rules. At the very outset of tag question, there must be a comma. At the very outset of tag question, there must be a comma. And then at the last portion of tag question, there must be a negative mark. For example, fire burns. It is an statement. So the tag question at the very beginning of tag question there is a comma, and the last portion of tag question there is a interrogative marks. In next, if the statement is positive, the tag question must be negative. If the statement is positive, the tag question must be negative, such as our examination is over. The statement is positive, so the tag question must be negative. In next rule, we see that if the statement is negative, the tag question must be positive, such as none can prosper in life, without utilizing time properly. The statement is negative. None can prosper in life without utilizing time properly. So the tag must be positive. Can they? On the other hand, if the subject of a statement 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 is everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, no one, nobody, someone, somebody, none, etc. If the subject of a statement is everyone, everybody, no one, nobody, someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, etc. The tag question subject must be there. Tag question subject must be there. For example, everybody should realize the truth. Here, everybody is the subject of the statement, so we should use tag question subject they. In the next rule, we see that if there is let's or let in the statement, if the statement begins with let's or let us, if the statement begins with let's or let us, the tag question will be shall we. Tag question will be shall we. Such as let's make the best use of time. Here the statement begins with let's, so the tag question must be shall we. In the next rule, we see that if there is any negative words in the statement, there is any negative words in the statement, if there is any negative word in the statement such as nobody, no one, none, scarcely, hardly, barely, rarely, seldom, few, little, etc. If there is any negative word in the statement such as nobody, no one, none, scarcely, hardly, barely, rarely, seldom, few, little, etc., the tag question must be positive. For example, none can do it. Here none is the negative word, so the tag question will be positive. In my next rule, we see that the tag question subject will be a pronoun, not noun. Tag questions subject will be pronoun, not noun form. Such as Robert Bruce was defeated for 6 times. Here the subject Robert Bruce is a noun, but the tag question subject will be pronoun. Here he is used instead of Robert Bruce. In my next rule, if there is no auxiliary verb in the statement, if there is no auxiliary verb in the statement, we should use do, did or does as auxiliary verb of tag question. Based on tense and person. Such as fire burns, here there is no auxiliary verb in the statement, so we should use does. As it is present indefinite tense, so we should use does as auxiliaries. Besides, there are other important rules on tag question. In a nutshell, I will try to describe it in my next class. God bless you with His tools that makes you a joyful to live. Allah Hafiz.